Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this smooth text animation in Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Alright, in Premiere Pro the first thing we have to do is to create the right sequence. So I'll go to the project panel and then I'll right click, new item, sequence, and from here I'm going to go to HD 1080 resolution and I'll go down to 1080 and 60 frames per second. Then I'm going to click on OK. And now we have created the sequence. Now the next thing we have to do is to create a color mate. Because in this case, personally, I would like to have a colorful background so the text will pop up. So yeah, I'm gonna create a color mate. I'm gonna use the same sequence settings. Okay, and I will select a yellowish color. Then I'm gonna grab this color mate, drag it onto the timeline, and the next thing I have to do is create a text, and to do that I'll press T, move to the program monitor, and I will type down smooth text. Boom, I'll press escape, then I press V, and I will reposition the text so it will be somewhere at the middle of the program monitor. Also make sure that the anchor point is at the middle of the text as well. Now we've got the text, and the next thing I will do is go to effects and type transform, which I have already done. Then I'll find the transform effect and drop it over the text layer. Now I will go to the effects control panel, find the transform, and before I do anything else, make sure that the cursor is at the beginning of the animation. Then I'll move back to the transform, I'll go to the position, and I'll create a keyframe. And before I do anything else, again, I'll move down to use composition shutter angle, take this off, and increase the value to 360 degrees, which will give it this motion blur animation. Then I'll go back to the position and drag the text all the way to the left until it disappears from the program monitor. And I'll press Shift or hold Shift, and then I'll press 1, 2, 3 times the right arrow of the keyboard and reset the parameters so we can bring the text back onto the program monitor. And now when I play it, we've got this intro animation. So now I'll leave the cursor somewhere over here and create another keyframe with the same value. And then I'm going to move another 1, 2, 3, which is 15 frames forward, and move the text all the way to the right again until it disappears. So I'll play it again from the beginning. I'll increase the program monitor size. And it looks already nice, but we can make it even nicer. So what I'll do, I'll select all the keyframes, right click, temporary separation, ease in, and then again, right click, in temporary separation, and ease out. So let's play it again. Looks much better. And also what you can do with the keyframes and the animation is, if you want to have a faster animation, you can select the second keyframe and put it closer to the first one, and you've got a super fast animation. But if you want to be a bit slower, you can take the second keyframe and push it away from the first keyframe, and you've got a slow animation, just like that. So people, that's how easy it is to create this smooth text animation in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, please smash that like button. I will much appreciate it. And also, if you want to see more Premiere Pro tutorials, you can subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.